The sixes of the minor arcana, which connect to the Lover's card of the major arcana, are all about finding solutions. In the sixes, we are trying to restore the balance and harmony which was lost in the fives. So the sixes are about resolution. We also have choices in the sixes. The Six of Wands, my dear friends, is about victory. This is the victory card, in fact. It is a card which brings with it great news. This is a card of being fulfilled, being acknowledged and celebrated, feeling pride. It is about triumphing. In the Six of Cups, we finally see some pleasure again and harmony. This is the card of happy memories and nostalgia. This is a card which usually talks about something which may have happened in the past. This is a card of innocence and childhood and goodwill. The Six of Swords, friends, is for a change a positive sword card. Here we see earned success. We see the promise of a brighter future, moving towards a positive future. We see a respite from the negativity of the swords. This card is a card of traveling and promises, often promises a journey which will prove to be fruitful and good. In the Six of Pentacles, we are receiving material help or maybe financial aid. This is the charity card. This card does promise material success and prosperity. Also, we see the balance here. This card also signifies balance. This card can be a contradiction between the haves and the have-nots with respect to resources or finances or the power, knowledge, material pleasures and comforts.